Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do cubes and cube roots exercise 4b. Page number 56, multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The cube root of this decimal number is one of these. Now what is cube root? Now suppose I have a number 2 and I have to find the cube of that number. I will multiply it 3 times and then I'll get my answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means 2 cube is 8. Now 8, I can write it here, put the root symbol and write 3. So here in this case, what does it mean? Cube root. Cube root of 8 is this number, that is 2. What is a cube root? It is a number which is multiplied 3 times to give us this number. So 2 has to be multiplied 3 times to give 8. Like we see here, 2 cube is 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. Let's take another number 3. What is the cube of 3? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. That means 3 cube is 27. Or you can put it the other way. The cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 27 is a number which has to be multiplied 3 times to give us 27. And it is the number 3. So the cube root of 27 is 3. Now we have to find the cube root of this decimal number. How do we do it? Now when you have a decimal number, change it to its fraction form. That means I'm going to remove all the zeros and write 27 as my numerator. I'm putting it in the fraction form and my denominator will be 1 followed by zeros. Now how many zeros? It depends on the number of decimal places. So after the point, the numbers are called decimal places. Let's count the numbers. Number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits, that means 6 zeros. So let me write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you place commas, you can read that number as 10 lakh. Now 27 by 10 lakh is this decimal number that I have converted. Now I have to find the cube root of this number. So we put that symbol and we write 3. That means we are finding the cube root. So first thing is, let's get all the factors of 27. So 27, let me get the factors starting with 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. So let's write that. So this will be the cube root of 27. Now we're going to write it as 3 into 3 into 3. So this is the cube root. So that is the numerator. Now the denominator is 10 lakh. Now how am I going to write the factors of 10 lakh? There will be many factors if you start finding the factors. Many steps involved. Instead, we can do something directly. So here what we can do is we can count the number of zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's pair them up. So here we have 2, 2 and 2. That means 10 lakh is 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, now here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros just like this. So we have put it this way, 100 into 100 into 100. Now from this triplet, take out one number. So the one number is 3. From the denominator triplet, take out one number, that is 100. So now we have 3 by 100. Our answers are all in decimal form. So we have to convert this to a decimal number with a decimal point. So I'm going to take 3 and write it by itself. Then I'm going to look at the denominator. There are 2 zeros. I'm dividing it by 100. 2 zeros. So my point has to move 2 places to the left. So this is one place, and then you get a point. Here you put a 0 and here you put a 0. So what's our answer? 0.03. Which option is that? That is option A, 0.03. So option A is our correct answer. The cube root of minus 0.064 is, now this is also a decimal number, so we write it down just like the previous one. We write this in the form of a fraction. So this becomes 64 by, now our denominator should be 1 followed by zeros depending on the number of decimal places. So 1, 2 and 3 decimal places, that means 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3 zeros, and we are finding the cube root of this. So we put it this way, cube root of 64 by 1000. There is a minus sign, so don't forget to put the minus sign. So now minus 64. So let's take 64 and find all the prime factors of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Continue. 2 into 16 is 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Two ones are 2. So let us write this now this way. We'll write all the factors of 64. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors. So let's write that. 6 2s there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now there is a minus sign. So we can put it this way, minus of all these factors. Remember that the cube root of a negative number is always negative. So I've put the negative sign outside here and put only the factors inside. And in the denominator, we have 1000. Now we can find all the factors of 1000 just like we did for 64. Or we can write 1000 as 10 into 10 into 10. 3 times so that it will give us 1000. So that is easier. 10 into 10 into 10. Now we have to make triplets out of these. So here 1, 2 and 3 factors make one triplet. Here we have one more. So that is the second triplet. So now let's write this down here. So this will be minus of, from the first triplet take out 1, 2. From the second triplet take out 1, 2. So we have minus 2 into 2, and down also we have a triplet here. From that take out one number, which is 10. So here we have minus 2 into 2 is 4 by 10. Now if you look at your answer, they're all decimal numbers. So we have to convert this to a decimal number. So the negative sign will remain, right? 4. Look at the denominator, there is 1 0. So here there should be one decimal place. So this is the one place, and put the 0 point here, 0. So what is our final answer? Minus 0.4. Now which option is that? Option D, minus 0.4. So this is our answer. D is our answer. Question 2. Find the cube roots of. First one is 64. Okay, so to find the cube root of numbers, there is a certain method. Let's follow all the steps. First one is to find the prime factors of 64. So we're going to find the prime factors of 64. Let's begin. So we have 64. Let's begin with 2. 2 into 32 is 64. Continue. 2 into 16. And then 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Continue. 2 2s are 4. And then 2 1s are 2. So we have found all the factors. All these 2's here are the factors of 64. So let's write down all the factors of 64. Let's count how many 2's there are. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 2. So let's write down all the 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the second step. Then we form groups in triplets. That means we take 3, 1, 2, 3, and we have formed a triplet. Now here 1, 2, 3, we formed a triplet. Next step is we take 1 from each triplet. So here we take 2 into 2. So this is, we have taken 1, 2 from this triplet, the other 2 from this triplet. Now when we multiply, it will give us the cube root of 64. So that is, the cube root of 64 is 2 into 2, which is 4. That means if you multiply 4 3 times, you will get 64. So this is our answer. The cube root of 64 is 4. Question 2, 343. We have to find the cube root of 343. So let's begin. Let's write the number there, 343. Now, is this number divisible by 3? Let's add it up. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. It is not divisible, so we can use 7. Okay, let's use 7 and see. 7 fours are 28. So what is left is 6, 63. 7 nines are 63. Now divide 49 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Then 7 ones are 7. So let's write down all the factors of 343. That is 7 into 7 into 7. Put them in groups of triplets. So this forms a triplet. There are three numbers, identical factors there. So this forms a triplet. Now we can find the cube root of 343 by taking 1 from this triplet, which is 7. There's only one number, so the answer itself is 7. The cube root of 343 is 7. Next one is 729. Let's find all the prime factors of 729. So 729. Is this number divisible by 3? Let's add it up. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 is there in the tables of 3. So 3 2's are 6. What is left is 1, 12. 3 4's are 12. 3 3's are 9. Is this divisible by 3? Let's add it up. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, 9 is in the tables of 3. That means we can do this. 3. 3 eighths are 24. 3 ones are 3. This is divisible again. 3 twos are 6. 7 eighths is 2 left. 21. 3 sevens are 21. Then we have 3. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So now let's write down all the factors of 729. There are threes. How many threes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes are there. Let's write it down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next step is putting them in groups of 3. So here we have one triplet. Here we have another triplet. Now to find the cube root of 729, we write it this way, 729 cube root. We're going to take one from each triplet. So I have 1 3 and one from the other triplet, another 3. So the cube root of 729 is 3 into 3, which is 9. 3 threes are 9. The fourth question here, let's find all the prime factors of 1728. Let's begin with 2. It's an even number. 2 eighths are 16. There's 1 left. 2 sixes are 12. 2 fours are 8. Continue. Here we have 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Again, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. There is 12 there. 2 sixes are 12. 2 ones are 2. Then there's 0. 16. 2 eights are 16. Continue. 2 fives are 10. 2 fours are 8. Continue again. 2 twos are 4, 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now we go to 3. 3 nines are 27. Then we have 3 threes are 9. And then finally 3 ones are 3. So let's write all the prime factors of 1728. Let's count all the 2's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 2's. So let's write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's count the threes. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 threes into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's make triplets. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So this is one triplet. Then again 1, 2, 3. Another triplet. 1, 2, 3. We have identical numbers. Now to find the cube root of 1728, we take 1 from each triplet. So 2 into 2 into 3. So now the cube root of 1728 is 2 into 2. 4 threes are 12. So our answer is 12. This is our final answer. The cube root of 1728 is 12. That means if I multiply 12 into 12 into 12, I will get 1728. Question 4. Cube root of 9261. Now, is this number divisible by 3? Let's count 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 is there in the tables of 3. So we can use 3. 3 threes are 9. 2 is small, so we put a 0 and take it next to the other number, which is 26. 3 8s are 24. There is 2 left, 21. So now this is 3 7s are 21. Is this number divisible by 3? 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So divide this again by 3 because 18 is the tables of 3. 3 ones are 3, 0. Now we have 8, 3 twos are 6, 7, 8, 2, 27. 3 nines are 27. Is this divisible? 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 is there in the tables of 3. So divide again by 3. Take the number 10, 3 threes are 9, there's 1 left, 12. 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. Now this number is divisible by 7. 7 fours are 28. We have 6 remaining, 63. 7 nines are 63. Continue with 7. 7 sevens are 49. Again, 7 ones are 7. So let's write all the prime factors of 9261. There are 3 threes and 3 sevens. That is 7 into 7 into 7. Now next step is forming triplets. Form triplets of identical factors. Now we are finding the cube root of 9261. The cube root, take one from each, 3 into 7. So the cube root of 9261 cube root is 3 into 7, which is 21. 21, if you multiply it 3 times, 21 into 21 into 21, you will get 9261. Question Question 6. Let's find the cube root of 4096. 4096. It's an even number, so we can divide by 2. 2 twos are 4, 0. 9 we have, 2 fours are 8, 16. 2 eights are 16. Continue again with 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Continue again with 2. 2 fives are 10. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again with 2. 2 twos are 4, then we have 11, 2 fives are 10, 1 there, 2 sixes are 12. Again with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 16, 2 eights are 16. Continue, 2 sixes are 12, 2 fours are 8. Then 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Continue, 2 into 16. Then we continue, 2 eights are 16. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2. So there are many factors here. So let's write down all the factors of 4096. Let's count the number of 2's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's write it here. 11 and 12. Okay, so now what we'll do is the next step, that is put them in the form of triplets. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So we have one triplet here. We have another triplet here. We have another triplet here and one more triplet. Now to find the cube root of 4096, we take one from each, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So one from each. So this is the cube root. So we mustn't forget to put that 3 there. So cube root of 4096 will be, multiply all these, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So the answer here is 16. The cube root of 4096 is 16. Next one, 8000. So again, let's find all the factors of 8000. Starting with 2. 2 fours are 8. Then continue with 2 again. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Again with 2. 2 fives are 10. Now let's move on to 5. 5 into 100. Then again 5 twos are 10. Then 5 fours are 20. Now go to 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Now let's write all the factors of 8000. Let's count all the 2's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. So let's write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 twos, and then we have 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. Now put them in triplets. 1, 2, 3. Then again we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's find the cube root of 8000 by picking one from each triplet. So that is 2 into 2 into 5. So the cube root of 8000 will be, multiply these factors, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So if you multiply 20 3 times, you will get 8000. So the cube root of 8000 is 20. Next one is 3375. Let's find the cube root of 3375. It's ending in 5, so we can use 5 here. 5 6s are 30. Now there is 3 left, 37. 5 7s are 35. There is 2 left, 25. 5 5s are 25. Again, it's ending in 5, so we can divide by 5 itself. 5 1s are 5. There's 1 left, 17. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, there's 2 left, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again we can use 5, 5 2s are 10. There is 3 left, 35, 5 7s are 35. Now let's use 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So all the factors of 3375 is a 5 into 5 into 5. And then we have 3 3s. 3 into 3 into 3. So the cube root of 3375 is, after you put them in triplets, taking one out of each, it's going to be 5 into 3. So the cube root of 3375 is 5 threes, which is 15. And this is our answer. If you multiply 15 3 times by itself, you will get 3375. So this is the cube root of this number. Children, we will stop with this for now. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.